A few weeks ago I showed a video of this LED light bulb, LED, and it broke. So let's see if we can open this up and determine what the failure mode is. Somebody in the original video made some strange remarks about how there's something bad about opening these up. I mean, I don't understand what could go wrong. It seems like this is going to open up fairly easily. I thought I was going to have to just break it open, but if we can do this, then we'll just do this. Okay. And here we have the circuitry. Nothing looks particularly damaged down there, although that one LED looks like it could be shot. I don't know if we're going to be able to get a good picture of this or not. I'll move this back from the camera a little bit more, and maybe I can zoom in better that way. So looking at all these 8 LEDs here, it appears to me like number 6 has a little bit of a dark spot on it. So I don't know if that means that it's... Ooh, that's not very clear. I don't know if that means it's defective or if it burnt out or what. Nothing else particularly obvious stands out to me on here. Grab our testing light fixture, screw this in and see what it does. I mean, I think we know what it's going to do, but that's cool. There's our tripod kick for the video. I want to check and see what kind of power this is drawing to in this failed state. It's rated for 9 watts. And it is drawing 4. And you can see it's clearly not working the way it's supposed to. I mean, this is pathetic. It seems like LED number 6 is slightly dimmer than the rest of them. Not all that much dimmer though. Oh, let's see if we can go into this any further. There are 2 screws. So maybe we can take those screws off and see something else inside here. There's probably some capacitors in here. So we'll have to exercise some caution in case those are still charged up. Well, there's 2 good screws I'll hold on to if nothing else. Get this out of here. I guess it don't come out. There we go. Now we can see inside. We have 1 capacitor. It looks like it is a does a lot of venting. What's the microfarads? 56 microfarads. Looks like there's thermal paste all on the inside of here. I mean, realistically, if this is what they're using to cool it, no wonder it broke. This isn't going to cool that much. Plus, it's enclosed in a container. Ugh, garbage. Absolute junk.